Hello students, welcome again to our Maths Fun World. Today, I'm gonna recite you a very short story. After listening story, you have to guess what we are going to study today. Here's the story. There was a girl named Mamani. She had a pet dog named Rocky. She always used to play with her pet. Once, they both were playing. Mamani रन कर रही थी और रॉकी उसे पकड़ने की कोशिश कर रहा था। रन करते करते मामनी से टेबल पर पड़े एक पिगी बैंक गिर के टूट जाता है, जिसमें मामनी ने 1 रुपए के 75 कॉइन्स कलेक्ट किए थे और सारे कॉइन्स बिखर जाते हैं। मामनी स्टार्टेड क्राइंग। मामनी को रोते देख रॉकी सारे कॉइन्स कलेक्ट करने लगता है, बट उससे 58 ही कलेक्ट हो पाते हैं। कैन यू टेल मी how many coins are missing and how will you tell? Yes, we may find through subtraction. Let's subtract 58 from 75. As 58 and 75 are two-digit number, according to subtraction of two-digit numbers from two-digit number, step 1 will be arrange the given two-digit numbers in the column of tens and ones. Remember one thing, in subtraction, the greater number is always placed on the top, means at minuend place. Now tell me, in 75 and 58, which is the greater number? Yes, it's 75. So we will place 75 at minuend place, 7 in tens column and 5 in ones column. Now place the smaller number 58 at subtrahend's place. Write 5 in tens column and 8 in ones column. Step 2. Put the sign of subtraction at the left side of subtrahend and subtract the digits of ones column, which are 5 minus 8. अब यहाँ पर 8 तो 5 से greater है, तब हम 5 से 8 कैसे माइनस करेंगे? We will borrow 1 10 from 7 tens. Then it will be 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. अब आप सोच रहे होगे, मैम 5 ने तो 7 से only 1 ही लिया है, तो ये 15 कैसे हो गया? इसे तो 6 होना चाहिए ना? किड्स, यहाँ 5 7 से 1 नहीं, बल्कि 1 10 लेता है। एंड 1 10 मीन्स 10, 1 0 10, तो 10 plus 5 is equal to 15 ही होगा। जब भी हमें सब्ट्रैक्शन में टेंस कॉलम से बोरो लेना हो, ऐसे सब्ट्रैक्शन को हम सब्ट्रैक्शन विद बोरोइंग बोलते हैं, बिकॉज यहाँ हमें टेंस कॉलम से बोरो करना पड़ता है। Now we will subtract 8 from 15. Count forward counting from 8 to 15 on your fingers. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You will find your 7 fingers are opened. So, write down 7 in ones column. In tens column, change 7 into 6 tens. Step 3. Subtract the digits of tens column. We get 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. So, write down 1 in tens column. Thus, we get 75 minus 58 is equal to 17. Means 17 coins are missing. Okay, tell me one thing. इस स्टोरी से आपको क्या मॉरल मिला? इस स्टोरी से हमें ये मॉरल मिला, जब एनिमल्स हमारी हेल्प कर सकते हैं, हमारे इमोशंस को समझ सकते हैं, तो हमें भी उनकी हेल्प करनी चाहिए, हमें भी उनकी देखभाल करनी चाहिए। Let's take one more example to make you clear the concept of subtraction with borrowing. As the numbers are 46 and 63. अब इन numbers को subtract करने के लिए step 1 will be arrange the given two-digit numbers in the column of tens and ones. Place greater number at the top, minuend's place, and smaller below it at subtrahend's place. Step 2. Put the sign of subtraction at the left side of subtrahend and subtract the digits of ones column, which are 3 minus 6. Here, 6 is greater than 3, तो subtract नहीं हो पाएगा. So, borrow 1 10 from 6 tens. Then, it will be 10 plus 3. Now, subtract 6 from 13. Count forward counting from 6 to 13 on your fingers. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. You will find your 7 fingers are opened. So, write down 7 in 1's column. Step 3. Subtract the digits of 10's column. Firstly, we will change the digit of 10's column from 6 to 5. Because 3 ones ने 110 borrow किया था ना? So, 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. Then subtract the 10's column digit. We get 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. So, write down 1 in 10's column. Thus, we get 63 minus 46 is equal to 17. I hope kids, you may have understood the concept of subtraction of two-digit number from two-digit number with borrowing. Now it's your practice time. The question is, complete the page number 94 in your book. That's it for today, kids. Till then, stay safe and secure by following some precautions. Wear mask, follow health and hygiene, and maintain social distance.